So they've actually done a couple of projects for me, but the big project, of course, is my windows. You can see I've got a building full of windows, and in the summertime it gets really extremely hot. And so I wanted something that was going to cut down on the brightness from the sun and also cool us off. So they did my windows downstairs as well as the windows upstairs on my rooftop. But they've also done a sign for me for my remote bar, which has like my name spelled out in it. And so they do excellent work. Oh, absolutely. I had no problem. I told them what I wanted. They came out and sized everything up, scheduled a day to come out and get it done, and it was done in a day. So it was easy, it was quick, and they're effortless to work with. I would highly recommend. As a matter of fact, I have recommended them to several people. I highly recommend them. They do great work, and they're, like I said, they're very easy to work with.